Hi everyone, my name is Alexis. I have chosen the career path to become a traveling nurse. I've always had this passion for wanting to help people, just didn't know which direction I would take it. I decided to become a CNA just to kind of test the waters and see if this was something that I would want to do before I got, committed and got an actual degree in nursing. And I started, after receiving my CNA license, I went ahead and started working at Baylor Scott and White in Temple. Working there was amazing. I got to see so many different patients and different situations and scenarios, and the nurses there were also very helpful, and they provided answers to any of my questions. If I had a question about an IV or wanted to watch or whatever it was, they were open to letting me follow and shadow behind them. Another thing was when I had my daughter 2 years ago, this was my first kid. I didn't know what I was doing. I was in labor, all of this. The nurses were there. My doctor wasn't there just yet, but the nurses were there. They were, hey, do you need anything? How are you feeling? What do you need? And that strengthened my love for nursing, being that I was in the situation that many people are in, and seeing things from a different viewpoint. Instead of being the one providing the care, I was receiving the care. I want to lend a helping hand to people. I want to be that hand, to offer the hand that someone needs to hold. I want to be the shoulder that somebody has to cry on, whether it's a family member passed away, whether they're giving birth and they have to squeeze my hand until the contraction passes, whether it's just they have a cold and they can't figure it out. I just want to make the world a better place.